Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. So guys, today we are going to unbox a wall mount for my Google Home Mini. So guys, let's get started. So we'll unbox the wall mount in this packet. So guys, this comes with a user manual and the wall mount itself. The wall mount is made up of plastic with two sides. So the ahead side is for the Google Home Mini, so it will fit in like this, and this compartment here is for the long micro USB cable. So it will fit here, and I have to coil around like this. Coiling takes a lot of time, so guys, I'll show you how to coil it in some time. Guys, after some time I've coiled it around like this. So the micro USB cable will while winding around, it will look like this. So in the user manual, as it is shown, that we have to insert the head of the cable into this compartment. Then we have to start coiling from the middle, and after coiling we have to just this wire should come out by the left or the right side. So after that, the last step is to insert this outlet into the Google Home Mini and to attach the Google Home Mini in the forward compartment. So guys, we'll quickly do that. So as I took this cable, then this is the port where I have to insert it. I'll just insert it here. Yes, it has been inserted. Then to be careful, a bit careful about that, just pull it from here. Yes guys, it has been into the place, and now you can see how it looks like in a wall mount. So guys, I'll plug it into my wall plug and show you how does it look. Now I've inserted into the plug of my house, and it will look like this. So by using the wall mount, you can increase the sound quality, and it also gets rid of your tension of the tangled wire situation. So guys, we'll ask Google what's the temperature. Hey Google, what's the temperature today?
In Mumbai today, you can expect a high of 32 and a low of 27.
Okay, thanks. It was a quick video about unboxing the wall mount for a Google Home Mini. So guys, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe the channel. And guys, see you